Welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geetha's Kitchen. Today, let's make a quick dinner with healthy ingredients. This is best when you can't think of anything to make for dinner. Let's make a dosa using multigrain flour or whole wheat flour. Let's make this healthy and tasty by adding some special ingredients. Mix 1.5 cups of multigrain flour with 1/4 to 1/2 cup chopped methi or fenugreek or uluva leaves. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder or chopped green chilies, 1/2 teaspoon hing or asafoetida or cayenne. Mix all the ingredients well and start adding water little by little to make it a batter. I added about 1.5 cup to 1 3/4 cup of water. Mix it well and make sure all the lumps are gone from the batter. Heat a pan. Spread a little oil to avoid sticking the dosa to the pan. Start making dosas. Cover it and cook. Apply sesame oil or butter on the dosa and cook it in the low flame. Nice aroma comes out when the methi leaves, hing and chilies cook with sesame oil or butter. Serve hot dosa with sambar, ginger chamanti, gooseberry chutney, mango chutney or onion chutney. All those recipes are posted in my channel. I made an easy tomato curry to go with this dosa. Let's see how we make that tomato curry. I used 3 medium tomatoes. Slice the tomatoes. Heat 2 teaspoon olive oil and add the tomato pieces. Add 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar and 1/2 teaspoon hing or asafoetida powder on top. Cover it and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Mix well. Taste the curry and add salt and chili powder if needed. Let the curry boil for a minute or so and turn the stove off. The balance of sourness, saltiness, sweetness and spiciness in this curry will satisfy all your cravings and kick off the digestive process. This will go with idli, dosa, steamed rice, roti, naan and anything you can think of. Enjoy. Let's make a little variation to the ingredients and change the taste of the dosa completely. Mix 1.5 cups multigrain flour with 3/4 cup chopped onion. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 tablespoon chopped green chilies, 1 tablespoon chopped curry leaves. Add water little by little and mix well. I added about 1.5 cups to 1 3/4 cup of water. Mix well till you get a lump-free batter. Taste the batter and add salt and chilies as needed. Heat a pan and spread a little oil to avoid sticking the dosa to the pan and make dosas. Cover the pan and cook. Apply oil or butter on the dosa. Turn the dosa over and cook it in the low flame. Nice aroma comes out when the onion, green chilies and curry leaves cook with the butter or sesame oil. Enjoy. Serve hot with chutney, chamandi or sambar, or with the tomato curry. Be creative and change the leaves you add to the batter. Instead of methi leaves, you can use drumstick leaves. Add coriander leaves or cilantro to the batter to change the taste. Chopped spinach or grated carrot will add the nutrition to the dosa. You can add grated coconut and enjoy the taste. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Geetha's Kitchen. Please try the recipe and leave comments. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.